guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to review a blusher stick that is from Swiss Beauty. This is the product that I'm going to be reviewing. So I bought this product a week ago and it's been a week I'm using this. I'm going to be reviewing shade number 5. It has 5 other shades as you can see. And I'm going to tell you what I have experienced, how the product is, how to use it, and I'm also going to swatch it for you. So if you want to know about this product, please keep on watching. So this product I bought because I had lost my previous blusher and I just thought of trying this one out. This is my first Swiss Beauty product that I'm trying, and this is a blush. It's a cream blush and it has a coral undertone to it. It's a pretty decent sized product. It has the product on one side and it can be rolled out just like that, and on the other side it has a sponge like applicator with which you can blend the product once you have applied. So I'm going to swatch this product for you right now. I'm opening this thing out and I'm going to swatch it for you. So it has a very creamy texture. It is very much blendable, and if you have oily skin, then this is a good option for you guys. It is a really super blendable. If you have dry skin, I'd suggest you to first moisturize your skin or wear foundation or a creamy base, and if you have oily skin, you can obviously apply moisturizer, but it might look a bit greasy if you apply it on oily skin. The blending qualities are really nice because it doesn't sit on your face and it doesn't become patchy. It is super blendable, and for a week I've been using it as a blusher, and right now I'm gonna use it in front of you guys as an eyeshadow, and let's see how it actually turns out. So as an eyeshadow, as you can see, I have a bit of base makeup on. So for an eyeshadow, I'm just gonna use the stick and apply a bit of the product on my eyelids just like that. And I'm not going to use the brush, I'm not going to use the blender, I'm going to use my fingers. Honestly, it's super recommended as a eyeshadow, cream eyeshadow too, because it has the right amount of color, and if you want to use it as both, it will give you a perfect color on your face. It's not sitting on my eyelids. I'm gonna bring you closer. So as you can see, my eyelids are looking really nice. I apologize for the lighting, guys. I'm working right now and I really don't have much time to shoot in the daytime, so I'm here back and it's night time and I only have one source of light here, and here I am shooting the video. So if you want a nice flushed look, you can go for this blush stick. It's easy application. I'm just gonna apply it just like that, just that amount, because it actually in one go it actually transfers a lot of color. It's highly pigmented. I don't know if you guys can see, but I have 2 pimples right here. I'm not sure if these 2 pimples are because of this product, because I've been using this for a week and I've been moving out in the sun and sweating a lot. I'm not sure if these 2 pimples are because of this thing, but anywhere else I don't actually feel any kind of irritation on my skin because of this product. As you can see, it's so smooth on my skin. For a flushed dewy look, I think this color really works nicely. I'm gonna, whatever that's left on my fingers, I'm gonna apply that on my nose. I think this blush is really nice. It costs about 299 rupees. I bought it from Nykaa.
While I'm talking about delivery, I wonder why I got the product in this condition.
and this is number 5, shade number 5, and you should go for this. This blush is a replacement or a dupe for brands like Maybelline, Lakme and Smashbox. I'm gonna list them out for you. This is just a cheap replacement of the same product, but it's cheaper, only for $2.99, and I think you guys should go ahead and try this out. So let me know in the comment section below if you have tried this out and how did it work out for you. So till then, till my next video, I'll see you next time. Bye. Make sure to check out the other videos uploaded on my channel. Let me know what products you want me to review in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, and see you next time.